For writing today, we are on day 4 of our reading, and we are responding to Giggle Giggle Quack by Doreen Cronin and Living on Farms by Alan Fowler. So, as usual, you can use both of the books to respond or just one. Here, you're going to think about something that you noticed either before you read, during your reading, or after your reading. And that is something that you found interesting. Your sentence starter can be I notice. Don't forget a capital and a period. The next part is what you wondered. And again, this can be before you read, during your reading, or after your reading. So it is a question that you had. And your sentence starter can be I wonder, or it could be I wondered if it was something that you wondered in the past. The last part is this book reminds me of. Here you're going to talk about a connection that you made as you read. This book reminds me of could be your sentence starter. Please check all of your sentences for a capital and a period. Make sure you have spaces between your words and do your very best. When you are all done, press the X and then press the blue turn-in button.